Here at U-Bar, we develop and manufacture cutting-edge protein bars for leading brands, entrepreneurs, and influencers.
My mother and I started together. We were actually making our own protein bars. We were making it for personal consumption and started making it for other individuals and kind of customizing it for their particular needs. In 2006, we launched the first custom protein bar website. Over the years, we started seeing people order 20 boxes, 100 boxes, 1,000 boxes. They wanted a product that was different than other products on the marketplace. We needed flexible minimum order quantities.
And we actually believe that you can't truly be innovative unless you have those flexible MOQs, because it allows you to try new things in the market.
With a startup, they're an expert in their product. They may not be an expert in packaging, but we are an expert in packaging. So we help them understand what's needed.
And they were able to work with us and bring out their team to help us conquer something that we didn't think was possible. The ability to allow our clients to be truly innovative.
It's really a company that's helped us grow and helped us every step of the way. A lot of our projects require more flexibility than the average manufacturer.
They provided equipment that allowed us the maximum flexibility, which gave our clients the flexibility that they desired.
The machines are almost always up, and they're incredibly user-friendly and operator-friendly. There's a helpline we can always call, and there's always someone on the phone to help us.
One area that has really dramatically changed is the rise of digital packaging. That has allowed us to be very innovative with our clients.
And they always tell us exactly how we can grow and provide us the tools that we need, and we never felt too small for them, and I don't think we'll ever feel too big for them.